Xbox's Copilot for gaming just dropped in beta on iOS and Android, and it's like having an AI gaming coach in your pocket. From game tips to personalized recommendations, stick around to see why this is a game changer. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for cutting-edge tech and gaming. If you're hyped for smarter gaming, smash that like button and subscribe to GadInsider for more tech updates. Let's dive into Xbox's Copilot for gaming. Microsoft just launched Copilot for gaming in beta on the Xbox mobile app for iOS and Android, and it's here to level up your gaming. This AI assistant, as Xbox's Taylor O'Malley says, knows what you're playing and uses your game history to offer personalized help. It can recommend games you love, list your latest Xbox achievements, and even provide tips or guides for the game you're stuck on, all without leaving the app. Need to install a game? Copilot lets you download or set up games on your Xbox console right from your phone. Its chat interface, similar to Microsoft's Copilot on Windows, supports voice or text inputs and can even share links for extra help. Whether you're chasing achievements or need a strategy to beat that tough boss, Copilot's got your back. It's like a second screen coach that keeps your gameplay seamless. Want to try it? Join the Xbox Insider program, download the beta Xbox app on iOS or Android, and start testing Copilot for gaming. It's rolling out to testers now, so don't miss out. Xbox's Copilot for gaming is making your gaming life easier and more fun. What's the first thing you'll ask Copilot? Game tips or new recommendations? Drop it in the comments. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell to stay in the loop with GadInsider.